Hi everybody, my name is Jim with Vectorworks, and we're very proud to show off our new and latest and greatest version of Showcase, our pre-visualization directly in Vectorworks. Vectorworks allows us to do all the geometry, all the design work, and in one quick push, we send it out to a console, and in 20 seconds later, we're able to program, we make changes, easily updatable. And then when we go into our Showcase mode, you'll see if I start Showcase with a save view, we then go in and we are now live DMX streams, live video streams, and live Posi Stage Network streams. And from there, we just busk away. We can have automation, we can do kinetic movements, we can do screen movements, we can take any geometry and map video to it. And then from there, we have all of our great lighting features that we've always had, and we bring those into play. And because this is coming in with all the geometry, the console actually knows where these positions are, and it can use a follow function very easily, and I can place these in any direct position and have full control. So this is some of the new features. We also would like to highlight our new LED wall tool. Our team has been hard at work to develop this great new feature. We have the LED wall tool where we can do freeform mode, aspect ratio mode, builder mode where we can say columns and rows, or we can go to aspect ratio, keep it within that aspect, or we can do freeform. We also have a nice feature where we can do inside circles for header arrays or fascia. We can also do inside mode. So inside and outside circles, and we also have a mirror mode right here that lets us work from the center of a structure, and then knowing the tiles we're using, we can easily develop that structure. Once we have this structure and we go in, we can see all the different parameters of the design layout, what panels we're using, including the edge panels, visualization and applying NDI streams or any custom logos that we want to put on, our power and numbering, our circuitry, data tags to put that on the structure, and then the wall support where we can select any of the different structures from our library, and we have all the accessories from all the major manufacturers, all the different ground support, the top supports, the bumpers, the headers, everything you need to complete your structure. Thanks for joining us here at LDI. Reach out to us if we can give you a custom one-on-one demo or any other support. Thanks for watching.